Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading the book Merry Christmas Mouse. Now, this book does not have any repeated words, but I'm going to show you that even if it doesn't have any repeated words, you can add words whenever you're reading it and talking about the book that then you can provide aided language input for. So the words that I'm going to add to this book while I'm reading it are going to be see and then on. And I'll be providing aided language input using the WordPower word wall poster from Sotelo. If you're interested in getting one of these posters, I encourage you to reach out to your Sotelo consultant, or you can go to their website and under the tab Implementation and then Chat Corner, Low Tech Communication Board options, you can print one off for yourself as well. All right, and my name is Gina Antrim. I am an AAC SLP and I have been for the past 9 years. So let's get ready to read. So if we look at our book, what do we see on the first page here, the cover? We see a mouse, and it looks like he has ornaments. Do you know what we do with ornaments? At my house, we put ornaments on our Christmas tree. I wonder, is Mouse going to be putting ornaments on his Christmas tree, do you think? Let's open our book and we will find out. Mouse puts one star on the Christmas tree. I put a star on my Christmas tree too at home. Some people put angels and others put stars. What do you put on your tree at home? All right, let's turn the page. 2. He adds 2 angels. We see 2 angels on the Christmas tree. They're pretty. 3 snowflakes. We see 3 snowflakes on the Christmas tree. I like these snowflakes. They're sparkly, and I love anything sparkly and glittery. 4 reindeer. We see 4 reindeer on the Christmas tree. And look, they have red noses. I think that there is a story about a reindeer that has a red nose. Do you know who it is? That's right. It's Rudolph. These reindeer, they look like Rudolph with the red nose. 5 snowmen. We see 5 snowmen on the Christmas tree. I like how they are smiling and it looks like they're waving. 6 toy soldiers. We see 6 toy soldiers on the Christmas tree. At my house, I do not have any toy soldiers. What about you? 7. We see 7 robots on the Christmas tree. They look like they would be fun to play with. 8. We see 8 little elves on the Christmas tree. I don't have any elves either on my tree. What about you? 9. We see 9 mittens on the Christmas tree. I like how the mittens are white and red, and they have red snowflakes in the middle. I like these mittens. 10. And we see 10 rockets on the Christmas tree. That is so cool. They have rockets. Only 100 more to go. Whew. He's gonna have all of these on his Christmas tree. I bet it will look awesome. Merry Christmas, Mouse. Wow, look at all of the ornaments that are on the tree. It looks so cool. Does this one look like the tree at your house if you put up a tree? I like how it's kind of leaning over because it's so heavy from all of the ornaments. My favorite one is the gingerbread house. I love gingerbread men. What about you? Can you look at this picture and tell me what your favorite one is? All right, that's the end of our story. He has cookies at the end. I bet after he got done putting up the tree, he was hungry. He needed something to eat and I bet drink too. I know I would. And those, they look so good and yummy. All right, that's the end of our story. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this reading, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up down below, telling me that you liked it. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel over here and turn on the bell for notifications for when I upload new videos. Thank you so much.